If you think you know what the iPad mini is, you need to completely erase that from your memory. For years, we accepted the compromises. We accepted the sluggish 60 Hz refresh rates. We forced ourselves to ignore the infamous jelly scroll effect that made reading an article feel like looking through a funhouse mirror. We accepted that the mini was just a bigger iPhone without the ability to make phone calls. But what I am about to reveal to you today involves supply chain leaks, silicon breakthroughs, and a master plan by Tim Cook that will permanently alter the landscape of everyday carry tech. Stick with me until the very end of this video, because the details I am going to share regarding the new display technology, the absolute monster of a chip they are cramming into this tiny chassis, and the pricing strategy will completely change how you view Apple's entire product lineup. You absolutely do not want to click away. Let us rewind for just a second to understand the magnitude of the shift that is happening right now. The iPad mini has always had a cult following. Pilots use them in the cockpits of massive commercial jets. Doctors carry them in their lab coat pockets. Content creators use them as the ultimate portable drone monitors. It is the perfect form factor. It is the only tablet you can hold in one hand for 2 hours while reading a book without your wrist screaming in agonizing pain. But Apple always held it back. They gave the iPad Pro the glorious OLED screens, the screaming fast M-series chips, and the ultra-smooth ProMotion displays. The mini was always left feeding on the scraps. But the market has shifted. Consumers are tired of carrying around heavy bags. We want ultimate power, but we want it in a form factor that vanishes into a small sling bag or a jacket pocket. Apple has finally heard the cries of the tech community, and the iPad mini 8 is their aggressive, uncompromising answer. Let us start with the absolute most important feature of any tablet. The glass you are staring at. The display. If you have used the iPad mini 6 or 7, you know the heartbreak. Beautiful design, but a screen that felt stuck in 2018. For the iPad mini 8, Apple is finally pulling the trigger on the holy grail of display technology. We are talking about the long-awaited leap to a dual-layer tandem OLED panel. Let that sink in for a moment. This is the exact same bleeding-edge display technology found in the wildly expensive M4 iPad Pros, but shrunk down into an 8.3-inch canvas. What does this actually mean for your daily life? It means when you are lying in bed with the lights off, watching a sci-fi movie, the black bars at the top and bottom of the screen won't be a glowing, distracting gray. The pixels literally turn off. They emit zero light. You are getting pitch, infinite black. It means the colors will leap off the screen with a vibrant, punchy intensity that will make your current tablet look washed out and lifeless. But OLED is only half of the story. The biggest crime Apple ever committed against the iPad mini was locking it at 60 Hz. It made scrolling through Twitter or swiping between home screens feel jagged and slow, especially if you were used to the ProMotion display on your iPhone. The iPad mini 8 is finally bringing 120 Hz ProMotion to the small screen. This changes absolutely everything. Scrolling through heavy web pages will look like smooth, flowing water. Writing with the Apple Pencil will feel instantly responsive, as if ink is physically flowing from the tip of the pen onto actual paper with zero perceptible latency. The dreaded jelly scroll, completely dead and buried. The combination of an insanely bright OLED panel and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate is going to make this the single most visually stunning device in your entire house. You will find yourself picking it up just to look at the screen. Now let us talk about the beating heart of this machine, because this is where the iPad mini 8 crosses the line from being a cute consumption device to a terrifyingly powerful computer. For years, the mini was powered by recycled iPhone chips. They were fast, but they weren't desktop class. Apple is tearing up that playbook. The iPad mini 8 is expected to be armed with Apple's M-class silicon, specifically heavily tuned for thermal efficiency in a compact chassis. We are talking about the raw computational horsepower of a MacBook squeezed into a device that is roughly the size of a standard paperback novel. Why on earth do you need an M-class chip in an 8-inch tablet? 2 words: Apple Intelligence. We are entering an era where artificial intelligence isn't just a gimmick. It is integrated into the very fabric of the operating system. To run complex, on-device AI models without phoning home to a cloud server, you need a neural engine that can crunch trillions of operations per second. The iPad mini 8 will be your ultimate, ultra-portable AI companion. Imagine sitting in a college lecture or a massive corporate boardroom. You hit record on your mini. Not only does it capture the audio with studio-quality microphones, but the on-device AI instantly transcribes the entire hour-long meeting, formats it into beautifully structured bullet points, highlights the action items, and drafts an email summarizing the event, all locally, with zero lag, and without needing a Wi-Fi connection. That is the power of M-class silicon working with Apple Intelligence. But the power goes way beyond just productivity. Let's talk about gaming, because the handheld gaming market is exploding, and Apple wants a massive piece of the pie. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing baked directly into the chip, the iPad mini 8 is essentially a high-end gaming console that fits in your glove box. We are not talking about simple mobile games like Candy Crush. We are talking about playing full, uncompromised AAA desktop titles.